Welcome back to Wonder Wheel, your go-to channel for the latest in the world of cars and automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the official reveal of the 2025 BMW M5 G90. The all-new G90 represents the next chapter in BMW's legendary M5 lineup, combining brutal performance, advanced technology, and a new plug-in hybrid powertrain that marks a bold step toward the future. The BMW M5, part of the M series lineup, is the high-performance version of the 5 Series, and it's been a symbol of power and prestige since its invention in the 1980s. The G90, being the latest generation, continues the tradition, but with a modern twist. Developed in Germany, the M5 has been one of the most iconic sports sedans in the world, and its influence extends far beyond its home country. While Germany remains one of its biggest markets, the M5 has a massive following in the United States, the United Kingdom, and several parts of Asia, especially China and the Middle East, where high-performance luxury cars are in high demand. What makes the G90 stand out in 2025 is its all-new plug-in hybrid system. Under the hood, it features a twin-turbocharged V8 engine combined with an electric motor, delivering an eye-watering 718 horsepower and around 1,000 Nm of torque. This enables the M5 G90 to rocket from 0 to 100 km/h in just over 3 seconds, while also offering an all-electric range of approximately 40–50 km. This dual capability gives drivers thrilling performance with improved fuel efficiency, especially in urban environments. Speaking of fuel efficiency, the G90 makes a strong case for a performance car that doesn't sacrifice responsibility. With its hybrid system, it offers a notable improvement in fuel consumption over the previous generation. That means less frequent stops at the pump and lower emissions, aligning with BMW's future-focused strategy. In terms of capabilities, the M5 G90 is a beast on the road and surprisingly comfortable on long drives. It includes BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, adaptive suspension, and various drive modes that let you switch from relaxed cruising to aggressive track-ready performance at the push of a button. The G90 also introduces BMW's latest driver assistance technologies and infotainment system, complete with a curved display and advanced connectivity. Some of the key features include ventilated and massaging sports seats, a premium Harman Kardon or optional Bowers & Wilkins sound system, digital key access, and gesture controls. Its bold exterior design with aggressive lines, larger air intakes, and signature kidney grills make it instantly recognizable. The starting price for the BMW M5 G90 is expected to be around $120,000 USD, though it may vary depending on the market and customization options. The main selling point of this model is the perfect fusion of traditional M performance with electrified efficiency, making it appealing to both purists and modern eco-conscious buyers. That's all for today on Wonder Wheel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cutting-edge automotive updates.